Hello grade 9, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we're gonna talk about the myth of Rome, which is reading lesson. The myth of Rome, as we said previously, that the myth in English means legend or stories which is untrue, which is usually untrue, اللي هي عبارة عن قصص نقلناها from the past من الماضي لكنها عادة بتكون غير صحيحة. فرح نعرف عن القصص الغير صحيحة المتعلقة ب the city of Rome اللي هي the capital of Italy now. Let's see the outcomes of our lesson. At the end of this video, you have to understand the paragraph about the myth of Rome, and this paragraph is in your student book, page 4. So hurry up to your student book and open page 4. Second, you have to answer questions related to the paragraph correctly, and the questions will be included in this video. About the assignments, which will be followed by or via WhatsApp. رح تكون عملية المتابعة via WhatsApp. You have to write the questions in the video in your notebook. أول شيء نكتب الأسئلة الموجودة بهذا الفيديو على الدفتر, and find examples of linking words from the paragraph. في عنا موضوع from the vocabulary section اسمه linking words أو كلمات الربط. فالواجب رح يكون إنك تلاقي أمثلة من linking words from the paragraph وتكتبها على دفترك. Let's start. This is the first paragraph in the lesson. The myth of Rome. The early history of the city of Rome involves Romulus and Remus, two orphan boys who legend says were raised by a she-wolf. The boys' mother had been murdered by an evil king, and the two babies tossed into the river Tiber. When the wolf found them, they had washed up on the shore. She perhaps took pity on the crying of the babies, and gently picking them up in her teeth, she carried them back to her cave and fed them on her milk. The boys grew bigger and stronger, and eventually were found by a herdsman who took them home. The first paragraph talk mainly about the story of two boys, two orphan boys, عن يتيمين who Romulus and Remus. اسمهم Romulus and Remus. الأسطورة or the legend says بتحكي إنه these two boys raised by a she-wolf, إنهم ربتهم أنثى الذئب. The boy's mother had been murdered by an evil king. السبب بأنه تربوا على يد الأنثى الذئب إنه her mother أمهم قتلت murdered by an evil king من قبل ملك شرير, وبنفس اللحظة تم رمي two babies in the river, tossed into the river, تم رميهم بالنهر. بعد هيك the wolf found them, لقتهم الولف وأخذتهم بالشفقة. She took pity on the crying of the babies. أخذتها الشفقة على بكاء هدول الطفلين, فربتهم her cave, بكهفها. When they became bigger and stronger, لما صاروا أكبر وأقوى, they were found by a herdsman, وجدهم راعي أبقار, and took them to his home, وأخذهم على بيته. Let's see the questions related to this paragraph. The first question is, who are Romulus and Remus? Romulus and Remus, who are part of Rome early history, two orphan boys who legend says were raised by a she-wolf. The second question, how did the boy's mother die? She had been murdered by an evil king. Where did the she-wolf find the babies? She found them in the Tiber River. What did happen after she had washed them up? She carried them to her cave and fed them on her milk. Did they still in the cave? Yes, they stayed in the cave until they grew bigger and stronger. They were found by a herdsman who took them to his home. The following words are from which part of speech? We have to classify the following words to its part of speech. بدنا نصنف الكلمات اللي موجودة عندنا لأقسام الكلام. Early, it's an adverb. Orphan اللي معناها يتيم. Adjective. Legend, which means myth أو أسطورة, and it's a noun. Raised, it's a past verb, and the base form from raised is raise. الفعل الأساسي أو التصريف الأول من raised هو raise. Evil, الشر, it's a noun. Twist into, phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is a mixture between a verb, هي عبارة عن خليط ما بين الفعل and the preposition اللي هو حرف الجر. لما بيكون عندي فعل plus preposition أو حرف جر بيعطيني expression معناه phrasal verb اللي هو الفعل المركب. Sure, it's a noun. Been, past participle verb هو التصريف الثالث للفعل be. Pity معناها شفقة, it's a noun. Teeth عبارة عن noun and it's irregular plural, هي عبارة عن جمع غير منتظم أو شاذ من الاسم tooth. The following pronouns refer to. In the paragraph there are pronouns. بدنا نعرف على مين هذه الضمائر عائدة. Who, line 2 موجود بالسطر الثاني, refer to the two orphan boys. Her, line 9, refer to she-wolf. Who, line 14, refer to herd-man. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you study hard and do not forget the assignments, and thank you.